going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing another install mod and really excited. So we have both my Civic Si in the garage as well as my DC5 RSX. So what I've been wanting to do is spice up the side profile a little bit, just because it looks pretty plain. Both the side and the rear looks really stock. So one of the first things I did to spice up the rear, then overlook of the car, the wheels, of course, the wheels and the lug nuts. I also added these stickers, so like my Instagram handle as well as my YouTube. One more thing I'm gonna do is add some window visors, which is what we have today. So window visors will look just like this. For my DC5, I have window visors in all my cars. So this is what's here in this box. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's pull out what's in here. Oh, that's all. So I guess that's everything here. So like I said, this is a coupe. I forgot, I was looking for 4 of them, but I only have 2 because there's just 2 windows. Same for my RSX, it's just 2. For my Mitsubishi Lancer GT, I have 4 since I do have rear seats as well, rear doors. So let's go ahead and open it up. I know there's a few different styles out there, but this one is, I believe, the Mugen style window visor. So let's open her up and see how she looks. So I have the window visors out of the packaging, and I personally really like this one. So there's a few different shades. You can get it almost clear or really dark. This one right here is almost like a see-through, translucent. Has a slight dark blue tint to it. I kind of like it. Like I say, the style is a Mugen style. So it does come with double-sided tape on the back as well. Makes for really easy installation. So let's go ahead and test fit it on first. So it seems like the window visor design is pretty unique. It does have like small little curvatures here. Let me show you guys. Even on the front right here, it bends a little bit. That's because it goes over here. You can see there's a little indentation here, and then there's one more up here. So again, there are universal ones out there, but I wouldn't recommend it, just because if you get universal ones, they might not fit 100% good. You guys might have saw a video on my DC5 RSX window visors. These aren't universal, but I got like the cheapest one I could find on eBay. They fit well. They haven't came off yet, thankfully, but you know, it's just the fit is not 100% perfect. So first things first, you want to make sure the surface area is clean. So I already washed it down yesterday, but I'm just going to use like a quick detail spray and a microfiber towel. Just spray it down, make sure there's no, you know, dirt or anything or dust before I slap it on. Remove the double-sided tape, and I'm going to slap the window visor on now that my surface is clean. Alright, so I have one side slapped on. I think it looks really good. You can see a little design right here. So you guys might be wondering, what are window visors for? They don't just look cool, they don't just go on modified cars. What people like to do is whenever, let's just say if it's raining or if it's really hot and you don't have your AC on, you can have the windows up, but not up all the way, up to like right here, and there's a little gap. So for me personally, whenever I drive and park at work, if it's a hot day, I don't like to have my windows up all the way. I leave it cracked a little bit. So there's a little gap. Same thing, if it's raining and you're at a drive-through, you can have your windows up halfway, not halfway, but up to here, and rain doesn't get in. So that's the whole point of window visor, the functionality of it, and I think it looks good too. It's I would say it's a pretty JDM thing. Over in Japan and some Asian countries, a lot of cars do come with the window visors from the factory actually. So like I said, again, you can see a little bit of wave indentation right here. Mugen style versus a normal one here. Just no design, you know, it's just a visor. So yeah, let me get the other side slapped on and show you guys how it looks. Before I do this other side, the driver's side, I just wanted to show you guys a before and after of each side. So again, this is without the window visor. And with the window visor. Alright, so really quick install. About 5 minutes later, I installed the other side, the driver's side. Here's a quick look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it or do you guys not like it? Like I say, I think it makes a really, you know, subtle addition to the car, especially from the side profile. Plus, it serves a purpose as well. So they're pretty cheap. For most cars, if you look on Amazon or eBay, you could get yourself a set. This set I think I picked up for $20-something for both sides, so not expensive. Typically go for about like, I'm gonna say $20 to $50, depending on the style, the brand, and what type of car. I think my Mitsubishi Lancer, it was about 40 or 50 bucks since he had 4 visors, since it's a 4-door car. What do you guys think? If you guys like it, leave a thumbs up. Alright, so I have my window visors on my Civic Si done. So again, it's a really quick install, takes about 5-10 minutes of your time and doesn't break the bank at all. It costs about 20-ish bucks for me. So I think it really does make the side profile pop a little bit more. My whole thing about it is the side and the rear look so stock, but I think it's a nice little addition. You know, I definitely don't want it looking like your regular EX coupe on the road. So yeah, try to spice up the rear as well as the side profile. What do you think? Do you see what I just did? Looks nice, right?
Yeah, it looks super nice.
It doesn't break the bank. It's like $20-something for both. It looks nicer than this one. This one is, I got a cheap one.
See, if you pay a little more, it
It's
looks
like,
much better.
yeah, I like the style too. It's pretty nice. And this one's like totally black. This one's like smoked, so you can kind of see through a little bit. I think it looks nice. You want some window visors for your car?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, it does have a purpose.
It's different. I really like it.
I like this style, yeah. It's a Mugen style. I could try to find for your car.
Yeah.
So this one's a plain one. I think it was like 17 bucks I paid for this. Doesn't fit well. I mean, it stays on. Doesn't fit really well. And then for this one, it's pretty good. Yeah, on the side. So we might get one for my girl's car as well. She's a 2019 Honda Civic. So besides just being a style, it actually does so like hot day when I'm at work, I don't like to close my windows all the way. I wind it up to like right here, so leave it cracked and people can't really see because your windows up to here, and like hot air can come out. Yeah, at the same time, like I know for people who smoke, they leave it cracked, or sometimes even when it's raining, you're in a drive-through, you know, you have the window up to here, so when it rains, what it does, it kind of deflects the water. Yeah, because you know, if you have your window down all the way, sometimes in a drive-through when it's raining, the water comes inside your car. So this is what it does. The rain comes, it deflects it out. So yeah, it does have a use as well. It's pretty cool. So again, if you guys stayed to the really end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe and notification bell so you know when new videos are out. And again, I'm really excited. The FG2 Civic Si build is coming along nicely. With all builds, you always want to start with something that are cheap and not too expensive. I do have some interior mods that I already do have for the car, so those should be coming in an install video hopefully pretty soon. Like I said, I also do plan to spice up the rear, possibly a wing setup. I also do want like some pieces for the car, some body pieces. So on the front end, I think it looks pretty good. It already has the HFP lip. I do want the FP side skirts as well as rear lip. I know on the 8th gen, whether it's a sedan or coupe, those are getting harder and harder to find. So I might pick some of those up if I could find a good deal on it. But yeah, some plans. Really excited. Again, if you guys are excited for Civic Si build, leave a thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next one.